Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device, so you have to press power button and volume up button to enter power menu, and then select power off. And now once your phone is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And now you have to select your language by using volume buttons, and then you have to select with power button. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to also navigate using volume buttons and select with power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.